Alright, hello there again. So, my last video I mentioned that I had a water leak. So, it is where my well comes out of the ground and goes into the supply tank. This is my well in here, and this is my water tank. Well, what it does, it's a pressure tank. What it does is it kind of gives pressure. There's a big diaphragm in it, so it fills up, pushes up the diaphragm. Above the diaphragm is air, so it's compressing the air. When you open the spigot, it pushes down and gives you water pressure. So, earlier today, sorry, the dog's off camera, being noisy. Stop. So, I went and took it apart, ran down to the store, got the stuff I needed, and I'm gonna put it back together now. So let's see how that goes. It's really funny. Earlier, Millie, the German Shorthair, was finding something. I don't know. And she's still there. Of course, I put her inside while I left, but let her out. That's where she stays. Millie! See? Still there. Hi, girl. Must be a mouse. All right. So, and this little gentleman, well, I don't know if he's really a gentleman. All right. Okay, so here are all the parts. Glue, pipe, check valve, which only allows the water to go in one direction. That way. Should have an arrow. Yep, right there. Elbows and fittings. So, I want to get these put in first. Just putting this tape around here so it doesn't leak. I really wanted to, this is 1.25 inches. I really wanted to, put that on. No, that's right. I really wanted to have a bigger pipe to allow more to come out of the well, I think. But the part that goes onto the water tank, I would have to have changed all that. I actually might end up doing it later on. I didn't have those parts with me, so I didn't know exactly what I needed. And I didn't want to start guessing. The store is like 30 miles away one way. No, it's like 30 minutes away. So I didn't want to come back and all that kind of stuff. I need water, and I have a lot of work to do. Hey, but while I was gone, I got a phone call saying, of course, my trees are ready for pickup. They want me to pick them up a little earlier because there's rain coming in. So, there you go. Usually tape these together and make a little handle out of it. It's pretty good. All right, let me go put these in. Yes, DeWalt. All right, I cleaned up the threads earlier a bit. They still look decent. I got some more insulation, but only collectively everything I'm putting on will give it an R value of like 5. That's not that much. Okay, so it's going to come down and go that way. But the check valve is going to be here. So I need to get the check valve in first. Then it's going to go down and that way. Like so. So first things first. I hear her jumping over there. She may have got something out of there. She's persistent, and it's probably a mouse. She just loves chasing anything. Just trying to give it a little measurement so that I don't have too much sticking out, because I don't have a lot of room. I think that'll be okay. I'll make another one of these. Anyway, shorten it if I need to. Just clean it up a little bit. Okay, so I like to have things ready to go. All right, so one is here. These have an electric charge on them. They hold all the grass and dirt. Gotta make sure you go the right direction with these. So flow is that way. Okay, so I'll put one of these, one of these, one of these, and that. That's what I'll be doing. Always get this stuff on my hands. Yep, there it is, on my hands. I want to try to go finish cutting that fire line tonight. The sun's going to go down shortly, but after I get the trees tomorrow, that'll be my main focus. So the forestry guy said when he gets some time, he'll swing by and start burning it. So I think I need to be ready for him whenever he gets a chance to come by. If you do have any cuts on your hand, you definitely feel it when this primer gets on you. It's a primer cleaner, I suppose. Okay, now for the glue. I like to put it in with a twist and then hold it for a second, because it will push out. Alright, check my arrow. That is the right way. Don't want to get a bunch of glue and stuff. Oh, that's it, that's all it opens. Okay, flow's going that way. Oh, it's perfect. Perfect amount left in there. That way I don't waste too much space. Then this one. Now this one. Okay. Good. So I'll have to slap this on and this on around the same time. May have to twist it. Okay. So I should have cut 3 of those little ones. That's okay. I can make one. I think this is a little longer. Now, to rough it in just a little bit. Let's get some measurements. It's going to be a bear. All right. So roughly here to here. One thing about coming out here is it's so nice and quiet. It's really nice. Now, I think, so this will move. So I'm gonna probably just put it in here and put this on the elbow, have it set up just to go into there, and I'll just move the tank into it. Hopefully that works. Oh, she's off to somewhere else now. Millie, where are you going? And here she comes. That's messy. Hey girl, where are you going, Mill? Just because I'm picky and I'm facing this way, I want these numbers to face me. they're going to want some food soon. And she's back over there. Maybe she had to go pee. So I was clearing the fire break earlier, and I lost one of the pins out of the tractor. They fall out sometimes. The pin that holds it in fell out, and then so the whole pin fell out. So that kind of sucks. So that's another reason I had to run down the road. So I went down there, and they didn't have the exact pin I need. It's about a 1/4 inch shy, and it's too fat to go in. So I have to do a little manipulation to get it ready to go. Okay. I like to try to figure out what I'm doing before it has glue on it. I don't know if I'll ever know what I'm doing. I know I'm pretty messy with this stuff. I'm not going to be able to touch the hat now because I don't want the hat dirty. Unfortunately, it's been warm and I've been sweating. Beautiful. Ta-da. Now, why are these like that? Oh. So what it is the covering is not long enough. Or is it? Oh, okay. It is-ish. It's just too low. Alright, so I'm going to actually put some of this glue on it. See if that works. There's something buzzing around me. Hey, it looks like a bee.